Welcome to Miss Fairy's reading class.
This is Sam. Sam is a happy little boy. I will visit Dad, Sam said. I can pack jam and a cap. Sam puts the jam and the cap in his bag. Sam sits on the bus with his cat. Sam pats the cat. The cat takes a nap. A man said, "Sam, your cat napped." Sam gets off the bus and waves to the man. Sam walks home with the cat. Dad is glad to see Sam and the cat. Dad picks up the cat, puts it on his lap, and pats the cat.
Let's read!
Cat, cat. Bag, bag. Cap, cap. Jam. Nap. Man. Dad. Bat. Now it's your turn to read.
Let's practice reading.
Sam has a cat. Sam puts jam and cap in his bag. Sam pats the cat. The cat naps on his lap. Sam and cat go to Dad. Dad was glad to see Sam and the cat.
Are you ready for the quiz?
Which one says cat? Correct. Cat. This is cat. Which one says bag? Correct. This is bag. Which one says nap? Correct. This is nap. Which one says dad? Correct. This is dad. Which one says jam? Correct. This is jam. Well done. Good job. Happy reading. See you in the next story. Thank you for watching my channel.